Oops. Okay, so what's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here. Let's start our live event for Forex Pvsra. Today is July the 15th, 2024, 12 o'clock in Brasilia time. Okay, so let's get started. Let me just check the audio. Okay, it seems like the audio is doing well. So let's take a look at the markets. We're going to start by looking at daily FX, the daily FX. So let's go to the daily FX website. And as you guys can see here today, let me get the browser. Hold on just a second. Alright, so we're here on daily FX. And we have Powell is going to talk at 1:30. Okay, Brasilia time. Brasilia time. At 1:30 we have this speech by the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell. This is probably going to affect the US dollar pairs. Tomorrow we're having zero economic sentiment index at 6 in the morning. July 16th, we have then the core inflation rate of Canada. This is going to affect the pairs, the Canadian, the loonie, the Canadian dollar pairs. And by the way, we have one position open on the Cadchf. Let's take a brief look at the position that we have open. So we opened this position yesterday on the Cadchf. It was a sell position. So we went short on the Cadchf. And if you don't know Pvsra, let me briefly explain it to you. So we have an accumulation of notable volume here on the volume bar. So you have a huge red bar on the volume. And as you can see here, the accumulation of the price is just above this key level of the 233 with this, which is this brownish colored line. This brown line here represents the 233 EMA. And once you have, according to the theory of the Pvsra theory, as I always explain to you guys, according to the Pvsra theory, if you have an accumulation, like once you have a zigzag pattern, which is what we are experiencing right now, we have been experiencing this for the past few weeks on this CAD-CHF pair, you can see that this pattern started on June the 3rd. So on June the 3rd, it started to make this zigzag pattern. So it's zigzag, another zig here, and once you have this accumulation of volume just above, so you can see that volume was accumulating, the price was accumulating just above the 233. Okay, and then you had this red candle here that broke. Oops, can you see this guy? Oops. Okay, can you guys visualize this candle, this red candle? So we had this huge red candle, and what did it do? It basically broke the support of the 233 EMA, which is this brown dotted line, and also broke the 200 EMA, which is this yellow dotted line. So it broke the support of both of them, and after that price did a little bit of correction to the upside, and then you had another candle with notable volume on Pvsra, which is this red candle that broke the support of the 233 EMA, also broke a little bit of the support of the 200 EMA. Okay, and after that price started to go down again. So we expect that the price is going to do this kind of move all the way down to the support of the last bottom. Okay, so the previous bottom was at an area of around 0.643. Okay, so we believe that price can go all the way down to catch the previous bottom, and then forming this what we call a zigzag pattern. Okay, this zigzag pattern. Let me change the color to pink. Okay, so can you guys see this? Maybe like a lighter pink. Okay, can you guys see this? This is what we call a zigzag pattern. Okay, so this is what is more likely to happen. If this is going to happen like that, I have no idea, but like according to the theory of PVSRA, this is more likely to happen. Yeah. Now, of course, since we are trading PVSRA, using the daily chart, we are going to be affected by this series of pieces of red news. One of them is going to take place tomorrow, July the 16th. So let's take a look at daily FX, the daily FX. So let's go back to the daily FX. And as you can see, tomorrow, July 16th, we have the core inflation rate of Canada. So the inflation rate of Canada can really have an impact on these two positions, these two sell positions, short positions that I opened on the Cadchf. Because of this, our strategy is to close one of the positions. So we are going to close one of the positions before the announcement of the inflation rate of Canada and move the stop loss of the second position to break even. That's if there is no distribution, because sometimes what happens is that there is a distribution one day before that, which is today. So if today we end up having a distribution of price, or if we reach the TP1, which is the take profit one, so if we reach our first target, we are going to close the first position anyways. Okay, so there are different scenarios today taking place. One scenario is if we are going to reach, I don't know, it happens sometimes that we reach the first target. In that case, I think it's very easy, because if we reach the first target, then it's very easy for us to just move the stop loss of the second position to break even. Another scenario is that if we don't reach the first target, if we don't reach the first target, but our positions are still positive, then we close the first position with making a profit, and we move the stop loss of the second position to break even. And the third scenario is that if both positions are still negative, which is more not likely to happen, because right now both positions are already making money for us. So it's very likely that the third scenario is not going to happen, right? But anyways, the third scenario is if both positions are losing money. In that occasion, we are going to close both positions with a loss. So two losses, okay? Which we don't have to worry about. Probably we don't have to worry about it, because both positions are doing very well right now, okay? Just to take a look at the positions, so I'm going to show you guys. Let me change this to MetaTrader. So if you go to MetaTrader, you can see that both of our positions are making money. So we are making $93 in one position and about $90 in the other position. So in total, we are making about 180 US dollars. Okay. And just to remind you guys that here we are using the broker Do Prime. Okay, that's the name of our broker. And on Do Prime, I only have 0.5 lots for each position, but of course I also trade with other brokers. I'm not going to say the names of the brokers I trade with, but in other brokers I have other positions as well. as the positions that I just mentioned to you guys. So I have the Cadchf position, I have some other positions, and doesn't really matter to you guys, but just to say that I have other positions as well. But for the live trades that I'm doing with you guys here on YouTube, I only mention the ones that I'm doing with Do Prime, which is the broker that I use. Okay. What else? So let's go back and see. Let me just check if we have any questions. Probably not. Like on my Portuguese channel, I have a lot of questions every day, and the lives for the Portuguese audience are all only for members of the channel. But here, since I don't have many subscribers, I'm opening every live event to the public on my English channel. Okay, so here on my English channel, everybody can watch, everybody is free to watch, and the contents are free. We also have some paid content about my private life, but if you don't want to pay, it's fine, because the paid content I have on my English channel is mainly about my private life. And if you want to follow my live trade events, so my live trading market live here, you just have to subscribe, and it's free of charge, and then you can follow my live trades on my English channel. Okay, so if you want in Portuguese, then of course you have to pay. Having that said, let's see if we have any comments. Yeah, so no comments at all. Probably not many people are watching these right now. Maybe people will watch it later. I hope so. I'm also going to publish, announce these live events that I'm making almost like daily on my English. Oh, my Portuguese channel, it's daily, it's every day, but on my English channel is going to be maybe every other day. I haven't decided yet. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.